told him 5 to 10 minutes.
I'll just like walk into his house.
Yeah.
Hi. Are you recording?
Yes, I am.
Oh, hi. My name is Gabriel. Okay, so just go away.
His name's actually Paul Macaroni.
My name is Paul Macaroni, and today we're gonna learn about how I shot my best friend John.
What the fuck? Are you jumping? Don't jump off, please. Are you jumping?
Oh my
Where's
god.
the window?
Wait, where is it?
Wait, am I in the driveway? Yes.
How do I turn down the...
Oh my god, how do you get up there?
Tom, where are you?
Come back. Hurry, Phil. Bomb is Mason. Bomb for sure.
Gabriel, say hi in the rearview mirror.
Hi. I'm in the rearview mirror.
Tom, say hi.
Hi.
Coca-Cola, hello.
Coca-Cola, hello.
6, 7, 6, 7.
7. I want to wear your seatbelt. Oh my god. Oh my
You need to wear your seatbelt.
god. You're gonna die! You're gonna die!
No shit, you feel unsafe. That's not even my fault anymore.
If you die, it's out of my hand.
Yeah.
Neutral. No brakes. This is weirdly slow.
Is it my car?
Oh, it's
It's just like screaming. Get rid of it!
Battle for your life, battle along. That's what you are.
actually pretty good sound effects.
Rip that song. Battle on. Battle for your life, battle on.
Not all the way down.
Roll down those windows.
Right here. Oh no! Tom!
The only thing that got wet is like my thumb. Yeah, bro. I'll get a good spot for it though.
Okay.
Hashtag.
Hell yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Just stand there and wait for me.
One other.
I'm not even
Ooh, it smells like seaweed.
Ooh, it's freezing. Ooh, it's freezing.
What are you doing?
I'm not doing
right.
Drake. I'm doing my Drake impression.
Is he the guy jerking off in the sauna?
Good God. That was someone in a steam room. So it's better in there because you have like.
Did I really just forget that melody?
I'm gonna have no money after this bail bond.
Baby, come give me some.
Give me my money. Just give me my money. Guys, we fully left my car door open.
Jazz?
Yes, I do.
Yeah.
Okay.
Give up forever to touch you.
Thanks for coming this way, guys.
Bro's in the fit.
Yeah, the coach will fit, bro.
Where am I?
Yeah.
Your hand.
Where am I
Look,
looking?
very excited, bro. I'm not.
Bro does not know to take a
Wait, can I put flash on?
Yeah. Batman in a flash.
Where you been?
Box above, upon this ground, I'd give it up just to burn it down. And if they
Are you filming?
It's not focused yet.
Like the tone of his voice.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel.
Like the voice he has.
I'm going in the ocean. Well, not fully. I'm in my fake jorts and my jean jacket.
How you doing?
You're gonna get sick.
Actually, you only have to do Harvey and full virus while you have a cold.
Let me believe the superstition that goes up with this.
How you feel?
On his way.
Yeah. My feet are gonna get frostbite.
How cold was it there?
Oh, who's starting? Is that our
No, oh god, that's awkward.
That guy Jamal. Sorry.
We are
Cut that.
We are at the Tim Hortons. It is currently 10:34 p.m.
And counting.
It looks like a smoke bomb just went off.
And counting.
We are just on the Thursday before the Easter long weekend.
Wow, news reporter.
Sorry for touching you. Hello.
He's pushing me down.
My hand's around Jamal's waist.
Wait, crazy, how good is it?
Oh my god. I don't want to.
You're 18, Bo.
I'm getting touched by 2 ditty bills.
You're 18, Bo. Deal with it.
That's
These are your responsibilities now.
That's a child.
Yeah, Tom's a
Treat him
child, but Gabriel's
What?
older than you, so...
I am a kid.
Wait. Come on, Jamal, can I touch your kneecap? There's like a thing you can do.
Yeah, sure.
Sorry, guys. That guy's not really loud.
No, like freak people out. Does it weed you out?
Yeah, very much so.
Wait, can you do it to me?
Yeah.
What?
It's like,
Do what?
No?
Guys, what are
yeah,
we doing?
that's like a reflex testing thing. It's really
No, you're supposed to do it a lot slower.
Guys, do not touch each other in the backseat of my car. What the fuck was that?
Wait, do it to me.
Dude. Okay, one time.
It could not be that good, bro. It could not be that good, bro.
I'm not scream like a girl.
No, do it
Oh
to
my
me.
god, dude, I screamed like a little girl, like genuinely.
That
Like,
was the highest note I've ever
You're
hit, guys.
you're-
That was the highest note I've ever hit. I have something. I can't. Oh!
Oh my god,
we're just joking, Jamal. At this point.
Oh, Jamal! Oh, I feel it in my dick. Sorry.
That's on camera, by the way.
Okay, guys, I'm just
Oh,
sitting next to
wait,
my
what?
mom now.
Send
I'm
to you
turning the
big
light off.
Look at that. Ain't no mountain high enough. Ain't no valley low enough. Ain't no river wide enough to keep me from getting to you.
What the fuck?
One turn late.
Oh, what?
The light.
Oh.
Final message.
Son,
7.
son, when you see this, I will likely be dead. But with my remains, you must bury them under a volcano, where you will find the magic McGuffin. Shut up, Jamal!
Yappy. I just want to say, for the record, I'm glad to be with these group of people. I'm glad I'm funny now.
Yeah, I want to say I love my friends. I love all of you.
Crickets.
We're the
You're an honor.
You're like-
fuck.
Or underground.